Everyone knows when you're fastening things to a wall, it's best to screw directly into a wall stud. Unfortunately, the stud never seems to be located exactly where you need the screw. So often you'll see people using plastic anchors. The anchor gets driven into a hole in the wall and the screw goes in. The problem is there's nothing really preventing the anchor from just pulling out of the wall. So these are really only good for lightweight items. Now, a better solution is to use either a toggle bolt or a molly bolt. The way a toggle works is it's a machine bolt with a toggle, which is a spring-loaded pair of wings. When you push it through the hole in the wall, the toggle spreads open and then you can tighten the screw against the back of the wall. The way a molly works is you drive it into the wall and there are little spikes on the underside of the head. And they grip the wall, and as you tighten the screw, this metal collar collapses and grips the back of the wall. Now the advantage to a molly is that you can remove the screw and replace it several times. With a toggle, every time you take the screw out, the toggle bolt will fall down inside the wall and you have to replace it.